Thank you so much for speaking to us. Talk to us about Guerbet South Africa as well as what does the company do?
Thank you. Thank you for having me. Guerbet South Africa is a company that work in the field of medical imaging. So we support healthcare professionals that work in the space of diagnostic and interventional imaging. We have a range of products from pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and digital and artificial intelligence solutions.
Oh, nice. So I'm assuming it's imaging. We're talking about
Yeah, so if you would go for a CT or an MRI,
yeah.
or if you would have a cardiac procedure in the cath lab or interventional oncology, you would receive a treatment with a product from Guerbet, maybe, or from a competitor company. So it's basically to create an image inside of your body if they want to diagnose cancer, if they want to follow treatment.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And so the company obviously comes from France.
Yes.
Came into South Africa. How is the South African market responding to Cafe? As also, what are the differences between the South African market and the French market?
Oh, that's a very interesting question. I was not expecting that. Good. So, Guerbet in our French entity turns 100 years next year. So it's been around for a century, celebrating its 100th birthday in 2026. And in South Africa, Guerbet South Africa has been here for 10 years. Obviously, the market in Europe is a little different from the market in South Africa in terms of pricing, in terms of volumes, access, healthcare, facilities, and then obviously we have a big difference between our private sector and our government sector, which also contributes to the differences in how businesses are run. That makes differences. So the South African market responds well to Guerbet. We have a good market share. We have a solid customer base in the range of our products for diagnostic imaging, and with the future intention to develop the side of the business more in interventional and then as well as in digital and artificial intelligence solutions. So we still have a bit to go to step in the footsteps of our imaging pioneer in France, but we are slowly moving towards that.
Okay. And then why is it important for Cafe to be part of the Standard Bank Top Women Conference?
I think this is an excellent opportunity for companies to build partnerships, to meet people, to foster new relationships and build synergy so that we can help one another succeed. Mother Teresa said that I can do things that you can't do and you can do things that I can't do. But together we can do great things. And if we put our resources together, we can create so much more value and we can help all women in South Africa to progress. In our case, it is to make healthcare imaging accessible to women of all races,